Samsung introduced a 200-megapixel main camera to the Galaxy S23 Ultra this year for the first time, and according to the latest rumor, the Korean giant will retain this practice when it unveils the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The only difference is that the company is said to be developing a new sensor for its top-tier smartphone offering for 2024. It is unlikely that the same sensor will be used as the main camera. According to Samlover, unnamed industry sources say that the company will develop a new camera for next year's flagship. It should not be difficult for Samsung to achieve this feat, given that the firm has a multitude of experience developing high-megapixel cameras for its premium handsets. The first 108-megapixel flagship from the company was the Galaxy S20 Ultra, which eventually transitioned to a 200-megapixel unit for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Cramming such a sensor for a smartphone can have diminishing returns, as a 200-megapixel sensor covers a smaller area. This means that each individual pixel will be smaller in size and will reduce the amount of light each individual pixel can capture. With this limitation, Samsung would have added its usual software magic to improve image quality greatly. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 200-megapixel camera, we assume that Samsung could at least attempt to incorporate a pixel size higher than 0.6 millimeters. Other than that, one rumor doing the rounds is that the upcoming flagship will be capable of 150x digital zoom. If you thought 100x digital zoom on the Galaxy S23 Ultra was overkill, Samsung could take it one step further, though we are not sure how beneficial would 150x digital zoom would be. However, looking at the recent controversy involving the fake moonshots, we expect the company to learn from its misleading tactics and allocate resources and talent to improve the actual camera instead of employing machine learning techniques to upgrade image quality. Assuming the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera will rely heavily on such practices, Samsung should include it in the fine print. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, rumored to be a part of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's internals, could also enhance the 200-megapixel still images with its improved ISP, image signal processor, though we have little information regarding this. So far, we have not come across other info about the remaining sensors at the back. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.